Hello everyone, Habib here. In this video we are going to work on the physics of the rocket. The physics of the rocket. So here is our rocket object, rocket prefab. Let me bring it to the scene. Here it is, and we are going to add a sphere collider. Then we add the rigid body. Then what else? Okay, that's all for now, and let me override the prefab, apply all. For now, let me test the game. Let's see how the rocket will be spawned when we click the fire button here. It has the physics now, but it is just falling to the ground because it has only gravity, because it doesn't have any force to make it going forward. Okay, let me see. The orientation of the rocket is not correct, so I need to edit the object. I need to edit the script here. I need to apply a rotation of this rocket, to transform the rotation to be the rotation of the rocket spawn point object. Okay, let me go back and see what will happen if I click the fire button. Fire. Now the orientation of the rocket is correct. The only thing that we need to, not the only thing, the next thing that we are going to work on is the physics of the rocket. No, the movement of the rocket object. I will create a separate script here. Inside the scripts folder, I will create rocket script, and then we will assign the script to the rocket prefab inside this resources folder. Rocket, we add the component of that script. Now let's edit the script. Oh yeah, I need to turn off the gravity of this rigid body of the rocket. Hey, oh, I clicked the wrong object. I clicked the wrong object, guys. Sorry, move it here. Rocket. Then we turn off the gravity of the rocket. Oh, we have two scripts here. Let me remove this one. Okay, I will check these checkboxes: freeze position and freeze rotation, and then uncheck this, just gravity. Okay, here now we are going to edit the script of the rocket script, and then in this update block we will type transform.translate I forgot how to add the force to the rocket. Let's check on Google. Unity rigid body move forward. Let's just copy and paste this lines. Okay guys, like this, and then this line on the start, and then I will change it to fixed update, and this script is not simple, but whatever, you can just use it. By the way, just copy and paste the entire script like this. Okay, the movement, I don't need this movement, just I will remove it here and remove this one, also this one. Okay guys, the direction, what is the direction? I remove this direction, movement 8, and okay, let's go back to Unity and check is there any error with the script. Okay, we don't have any error here, and let's try to run the game. Okay, we test the rocket. Is it moving, guys? Let me check here. Okay. It is it moving or not? No, it's not moving. Okay, let me check. RB move position. Rigid body. Man, the rigid body. You should not type it here, but just this way. Rigid body RB for this component. Rigid body. RB. And for the speed, maybe I will increase it to 10. Okay, let's test it. Fire it. Still, it is not moving. It's wrong script, guys. Let's find the other script. I think this transform.forward is better. We use this one. I will paste it here. rb dot velocity equals to transform dot forward, and for the speed just delete this one. I will use this movement speed. Okay, let's go back to simple script and let's check, does it have any problem? No. Okay, let's run it. Okay guys, let's fire it. Is it moving? Oh, it's still not moving. Let me... Okay guys, it is because I checked this checkbox, freeze position. I should not tick these checkboxes guys, so uncheck all these checkboxes. I've made a mistake, and the script is just simply this way, very simple. And now let's try to fire it again. Hey, where is it? What? Oh. Yeah, I know guys. The problem is the rocket is moving backward, so we need to change the direction. Movement speed this way guys. We need to change its direction by multiplying it to -1. Okay, let's try it again. It is working guys, I believe. Now it should move forward instead of moving backward. Fire! You see that? The rocket is moving. We need to fire this. But it doesn't explode. Later we will make it exploding when it hit an object. So far it is good. We can launch the rocket. Okay, I think that's all for this video. I will continue later on my next video. There are so much monsters here. We need to blow them up. Choo 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 choo. Yes. Oh, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 8 monsters. Alright guys, see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.